This 2018 Fleetwood Discovery 38F is a Class A RV. It is located in Adamsburg, Pennsylvania, 15611 and is offered for sale by RV Leaders. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features outdoor entertainment. This 2018 Fleetwood Discovery 38F is built on a Freightliner XCM Series chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.